Now, this machine and this model. This model is the latest and the newest item. This model is for the 6th generation plus. Then now you can just put the newest model in the inside. And this newest model is can be instead of the old mode. The old model is needed to alignment, but the newest model is just put the glass. Then you just tilt the ear stick and then put on the. Now, this machine and this is the newest model and the latest machine is for OCA laminating. Now you can just put the glass with the newest model and then put inside the machine. Now close the door and then press the button. After 5 minutes, it's done. Now we open the door to check it. Now we can see there's no bubbles on the screen. The newest model is like this.